Hello there, welcome to Let's Make Agencies Limited, where we offer products and services such as procurement of goods and services, construction, insurance, business development support, where we help small-scale businesses on how to manage their finances and business, events and decor. Trust Let's Make Agencies with your events and will deliver to your preference.
Business development support, you support a for enketwa. Ye much concern ewo edwedefo enketwa omudiga ewo my Ghana mu
ope baby edweni a kire akoyo car insurance comprehensive third party a memfo wani kire baby a for wani kire Let's Make Agency yene na ye the best.
I Let's Make warehouse. I Tonton Charles any building materials.
The building any construction and so say even yama contract bi wa be mu enso hu se dia obeye no e fa na dams e fa na road e fa na buildings any kind of construction ayama wo hwa untimi nye utimi boben ye through your Let's Make Foundation ebi mo wo orphanage issues ebi mo wo hospital issues ebi mo here counseling nini na Let's Make Foundation etimi ehwe ehye ni ye.
This aluminium system your castle high tension glass education of Italian Sico aluminium sliding doors indoors swing doors casements and eduma was interior glass repairs so eduma was adoko amohwe o akwala ofie we school atifie opensa ni eduma panebra udu castle high tension street na eko Obom station wono ye wo ho Obom say somebody boy Bliss aluminium ye no matter screen na say the phenomenon friend o friend so ye no be kasa boko our supreme.
Ye mamo akwaba biom eba the youth of today. Eye mreka kre bieja munam ni mu aye mreka kante o se ye fa etwe na ye kokope ayaresa kakra nti na se na nsemu hu ye but the youth of today ya bagidi ye de nyoma papa nko aso na ye de bre youth ene obi biara mi amaje akonye ewie ye akosia jolly dada na foforo bi ambeka ho enne ye baba ye entertainment but me say me time no matna se acha mumfa nche ye na nsuo ne yesa na ya ne ma nyoma ye basa ma ye na ye guest ne nso o ma frese nsuo no akoma hye bebi nti no ye be fa one or two topics bi near dia discuss ya train ye guest no nti munya mre ne nti na before ye be papa insem mu no omo ma so ya sen Top G multimedia ye nyoma bebre ye twanfo nini ye wedding uye engagement uye outdoor Christian se mu frɛ no na so pese Top G multimedia ye mbe so masene a ye wo doko o frɛ number ni twegu wo TV na se o frɛ ya e betwa ofoni kama so ma hwɛ ye me ametie ya eja meni ma ye sokosoko ye ya na ye produce ye bibia enti se mo pɛ obi etwa mo nyoma sini papa etwa mo production papa etwa mo ofoni papa eno ane Top G multimedia kofo biemu so abeso ya sen ebini Bliss aluminium system. Almost services near fabrication of Italian and Sico. Aluminium sliding windows. Hind doors, project windows, building glasses maintenance, aluminium work parts, glass storefront. Location was Kaswa High Tension off Bojasi Road. Number 0243 88 7561 ana 0266833602. Ebetwa ye ho kakra ye ba ye demo topics ebe bremo a ebe discuss e de betwa ye guest no ye ntwa ye ho kakra mbra.
Bliss aluminium system your caso high tension. A glass education of Italian Siku aluminium sliding doors, indoors, swing doors, casements, and a young Juma was it. Interior glass repairs so Juma was it. Adoko Amoshe who are Kola Fie, we school at Fie, Open San Juma Panebra, Ubicasoa. High tension, street never Obomi station or no, you are Obomi and somebody boy, Bliss aluminium, you're not much to scream Nasi. If I'm not my friend or friends, you know that Casabo for our supreme.
Welcome to Let's Make Agencies Limited, where we offer products and services such as procurement of goods and services, construction, insurance, business development support, where we help small-scale businesses on how to manage their finances and business, events and decor. Trust Let's Make Agencies with your events and will deliver to your preference.
Business development support, you support a year a 24 enketwa. Ye much concern a 24 enketwa. Omudiga ewo my Ghana mu.
Upe baby edweni achire akoyo car insurance comprehensive third party a memfo ani chire baby a for wani chire Let's Make Agency yene na ye the best.
I Let's Make warehouse. I tonton tiles and building materials.
The building and your construction and so. Say even yama contract bi wa ben mu. Enso hu se dia obeye no, e fa na dams, e fa na road, e fa na buildings. Any kind of construction ayama Osha untimi nye utimi boben ye through your Let's Make Foundation ebi mo omo orphanage issues ebi mo omo hospital issues ebi mo omo here counseling nini na Let's Make Foundation etimi ehwehye ni ye
Ye damase se wonya emre ene ntoboase na ye ba betwetwe nkomo yi. Your guests no my first or more, but before I move baby drew hand say, you know, me per se, yenye be for qualities of a good friend. What are the qualities of a good friend? Or your corner crowd on any one. And then a better say, we ye a down for pa, and I say, we any down for pa. And only a friend, the qualities of a good friend. Meaning some mu bebre our experience about friendship, but ye ba be kan ba ku mienu bi because omo be enchom be basis ya mefa loyalty ye ka loyalty a eye den brofo kasemu no omo say it's another friendship foundation and the quality of a good friend should possess. Loyalty, you say I was so possessed then. Good friendship na no ne die he. Me de meka ne say obi a odwen wo ho. Mesa ka ne say obi a ukwa ahohiehie mu a opeso ne wokọ. Mesa nso aka ne say obi a obetimi a kire wo decision a ebeboa mu mienu nyina. Na ye mu bi de ye nya ne sa menim. Sasa loyalty no ye mu bi bebre ye nya loyalty e wo friendship mu but se wo ko friendship mu a e wo sa wo hwehwe nneoma bi e wo sa wo hu se adamfo we ya mekwa akofa no obeboa me daache adamfo we e bia wo pa sorry kopa na so akwa akofa street friend, street girl, street boy ye ka street boy a enchese sebi obi odida kwan ho ana bibi o no. Ye ka street obi okọ ghetto or ye nneoma bia wa wo sha baby where the house the home you are coming from no. Yam bring you up sir. well nti one no similarities bia mu ni sa similarities bia mu ni mu mbo mu nhia obi twetwe nneoma bi wo ntwetwe Sunday dura de obekwa asori ono Sunday dura afekwa na okwa tina bia ba na wa twetwe nneoma bi na wa feel okay. Qualities of a good friend no wo sha ebi wo sa nipa nim menye sure wo na wo fi asori mu no wo kokofa friend bi otisa wo sha ebekọ ye amaw o twe na banyamesum mu ana ono twe me de meka ne se unyamesum ni isi pi bebre ya eya na saa me kotwe no abanyamesum mu no me de me mfoa so menim obi opinion. That is my opinion. Obeka se me de me ye nyamesum ni me sum nyamenti me kwa fast asimesi a wo street okọ club onum wi onum jotra more obubo bra bi me masem na me matwe na ba Kristo mu wo Kristo sum na wo mu no etisen ebia wo ye konkonsani nso ti Kristo uti asori dem ebeda na wakọ akọtwe obi onum wi abanyamesum mu wonu se obetwe akọ iti if you want a good friend qualities of a good friend know yourself before you go in for a friend. No say me no me finyamesum fie me no yantete me se me chinchin me no minim say ya say membu baby akoko da ntema on house then I stand to be corrected. Iti no me de me pepie but wako ukofa adamfo bi a ene ofa ha ochina ofa ha anaju onam ha ahomachi onam ha sa qualities ni bi na na ohwehwa na senya nu bi dia sister brother sign fi ho because emboa wo ma omo na omo se no ye say emboa omo takra se na etubom. I stand to be corrected. Iti ma omo se no ma omo ntumbom na mo nsoso na mo nam sa kwan we so no mo so mo nam bom me can say o se o kwa kofa street girl and a street boy abanyamisumu. It's not wrong. Have you checked yourself? Wona wo so ye Kristo ni na ugina ho no wahwe why ahwe ye pan wo ho se me wo baby a me gina nti me kwa akotwe obi aba ohu wo chema iti twen na nyankopon mre no ontwe nipa no ema Kristo mu woni ne be ya adamfo wo ho why iti wo hwehwe qualities bi a hwehwe free baby a wo fi. Don't look beyond baby a wo fi. Baby a ufi meka baby a ufi a wechi me meti hai mini ofabi it is a me hwehwe quality a good friend sabe me nkohwehwe obi a onya aseme na ne wofamo ne sowamo ne nanamo omo nyina begina nechi na wo you only have your mom or your daddy. Some of you don't even have mom or dad, sort of uncles. So, who should share quality of a friend? Make good sure say, obe should share near one in the bo bra. Dear, okon social mua obe so mu we film near o chia obe tino. Jolly, I say a coin way a wo fasono. Emboao, and kawi ye ni say ya kebeboao. Fasada for no. Adamfo ne nim brew. Yaka adamfo na nim brewa enya adamfo one okoba o oboa one okoba one odidi bom na ni brew watari bi kwa akoto no 1 cd force no body bi anyankopon de amaw enim bi anyankopon de amaw kala bi anyankopon de amaw nipa no oni bi nti hunu se na ni bebrew because o share 1 cd atare no wo stature wo kala said ya u fa wo ho no afata o afedi ono ana ne wo kanta koyi o nso nani sa bre eyede kwa na mehu atare we di o chehwe se wo qualities of a good friend hunu nipa wo kwa akofa no as a friend enye nipa obe nam wachi na okwa backbite esanse wenya nti no de ompene ma unya nko enja no na se wan pene ama na enya nkwa a ebede na wo so wetime di nachi wan pene wan ma ho kwan ama wadanfo no beebi a wedru wa abrabo mu no wan kwa ebede na wo so wetime akọ for all you may know wadanfo no betime alenke o fa danfo a fade otimi okita ade we ya ene fe ena hoho a madanfo jolly okita phone we eye me fo ode otu ne ho emfa de wachi no hwede o kire na waye osisen onfa na asem so ho all these people omo ni qualities of a good friendship omo friendship no eye demonic ofro na watwe wasan enye obi otu beye kokokwa na ye demonic o no ananye obi ori nipa nam ahomachi bia na ori nipa nam nye ono pe na ye demonic o me de misuro nipa ne de oni mididi de misuro no pa ne de oni mididi oni obeda sori abom a osa ye obone ono na misuro no adentia na se mi su onu ne hu o se mi nya broken heart a onu ne hu se mi pe bibie fi nyankopon ho na mi nya ya hwan nanim onu nanim sometimes omukura hu cha ye maame ne ye parents mo so if you are looking for a friend pe obia one ufi nyame sumfi a pe obi osum nyame. I'm not encouraging any other way. We are Muslim, fa Muslim. We are Buddhist, fa ono so because money amani shia ema enibreba. Samoni emano religion in shia ema enibreba. I will tell you my own experience. Me nka say me a Christian, inti me ni friend, a Muslim friend. I have. Mariama, shout out to you. Wherever you are, I have, but the qualities here then. Or neni brew. O kwaya ne ya. O pia o sa ubeko ana o twen sign. Ene se onye sanyoma we mu nyina bia so ni mu yie. Appreciate them. Adamfo twen uko. Hey Joyce, me hu set ade we talent we utimi ye we. Me pese wo mu na wo ye. Me de minim ye intimi pese wo mu na wo ye. Enya adamfo beka se o den no betima me kwa metima ya asen. Ma me ndwe me ho. Dabi. Sometimes omo nka wo wanimu o. Omo ka wo wachi. Ebe den na we hu. De ebe ma wo hu kakra ene se wani hu se wanya bibi we ya nipa no onsere otel ne say why na de ma Syria ni mfi na numu mba o efi ne sim otel ne say why na de ma you see that kind of life madie obesom wow say mi kupo ye hypocrite kampo a enisuo no wasom wa appreciate you ye ka qualities of a good friend loyalty one enumu bebre na enumu na manyeye nyanoma bebre ye fimu obi oye honest person obi a okita o say eye na mekita o obi a me person be ye we ma me me to me mba o but yenye ni da say obi a o pe bibie fi ni ho a je dabi enye obi a obeya o say lala so lala what you say enye obi obeya lala so lala obi a obetimi agina ho yie amount honest person wechi no kan dedede ebikwa sa da no kra mo mienu kra no menya beef kakra nanso no opportunity bi aba wanhwe benkum wanhwe nifa ofrewo nipa we oye honest aka ne last bite obeje mu amount na tare ba ko pebi a gishe na fakọ interview gishe na fakọ gishe na faha mami share me experience kakra bi and for ya you see childhood friends me dem afan me nua prekope any emba dating ya say neja ni fie we ni msen me ono de ofo say o power we nti obetie ame akwakoje aware no hwe wo ya saa be ma ne bi wenim ti asabe na no obeda no obeda no ejai wo ohu ni se wonye papa wonfa ne mbobra oye bia otibi campus e wo de maye bia so say Jolly Joyce na wo de wo se ope onu na bepe mi onyame na bepe no enti hunu se wo kwa backbite no en succeed wo na wo kwa edi wo petition kotu nanim opa na ofa ofa damfo a emfo obi akeke nipa we mene no ye shempabo akro ye nante kro ye sempo se na se difference abem enso se onu na odi mewu ofa damfo a wani na ho Bible ka sembi o se yema ye ni ntisa abo owo denti no ka se yema ye ni ntisa abo owo betimi nipa adadem uhu da neni ate ono nete ono ne da sorry nanso uhu sometimes we have to be vipers to succeed eno nkyere se kokum nipa ko succeed eno kyere se wadamfo no so wano nareka na break it through we are wadamfo no behu success no and chese opportunity be ba ko ni mo and I say bra sometimes unya opportunity bebre so ba wakwemu ade ani breba ba adenti na Jolly de bibia say na menko amede oboto ho second opportunity aba one eba ma wo third one eba ma wo okonya third party etu ne fope asan edewo ko say yemu no nti media de meka ne say wo choose friend choose good friend ma weni nte ma weni ndaho ye betwa ye ho kakra aba ye time ne nso ayebe eye me ya pa say fra no mo freso mo ba but me hwe nso a time no ntimi eni omo interact ye besre mo se mo fa nche ye ne na futu sem kakra ye gya wo ba mo ba mo nua mo dofo Jolly edibre mo ane say if you are choosing a friend make sure get qualities reasons why you are choosing that friend ma weni nte se aboa owo ma weni nte se aboa owo program ye fa ni youth of today ye betre youth no se de omo be fa omo ho ye de guest ba ye de omo wo experiences ye de omo ba upcoming what talent be as a youth apart from your education now pese we exhibit sa talent na ye be mu akwenya fefefe because we are for the youth ye mpese youth bia be kwa akone namba basa say social media no emboaye intino ye be ma wakwenya say we be bad the youth of today program so now etimi ababe exhibit o talent no said the be ya apart from education ubenya bibi so aba obra program yi top G multimedia na de bra yen LPM Bliss aluminium system na de bra yen omo so eso yasen omo ye bibia about aluminium everything glasses everything about aluminium and na wo bathroom o pese ye bibi aluminium ho glasses u shem na ye twa glass ama o na chese u dware na glass na ye transparent na eja u chanchuku no ohun wo in and out Bliss aluminium omo ye very good at that omo ye sliding windows sliding doors everything about sliding they do it omo ye project windows building glasses maintenance aluminium work parts and a glass store front omo location ewo Kaswa high tension off the Bodrasi road omo number 0243887561 or 0266 833 0602. Program you Top G Multimedia na de breye. Ye beda maso ye mu sorry pan so say yentimi antwen ye guests na ye time ne so adwane agya ye say sorry that say na ye be hia e wa ha for the youth of today. Ye beda mu nyina mu ase. Ye da program manager say the crew ni nyina ye da mu nyina ase ni Dan yedamu nyina mu ase se munya amre ni ye eba betwa ye me ho afefefe Top G fo betwa mu mfonyi fefefe photo shoot bibia mo fambra Top G Multimedia ye betwa ama mo fefefe yedamu ase da se ne ye behia
Bliss aluminium system your caso high tension glass on ejuma application of Italian Siku aluminium sliding doors, indoors, swing doors, casements, and a young way Jumawasi. Interior glass repairs, so Mujumawasi. Adoko Amoshe, who are Kola, Fie, school, Otifie, Open San Yuma Panebra, Udukasua, high tension, street Neko, Obom station, or no, Yawa, Obonse and somebody boy, Bliss aluminium, you're not much to scream Nase. If I'm not friend, so you know that Casabo for our supreme.
Hello there, welcome to Let's Make Agencies Limited, where we offer products and services such as procurement of goods and services, construction, insurance, business development support, where we help small-scale businesses on how to manage their finances and business, events and decor. Trust Let's Make Agencies with your events and will deliver to your preference.
Business development support, ye support eye adwadifo enketwa. Ye much concern ewo adwadifo enketwa. Omudiga ewo my Ghana mu.
Ope baby edweni a kire akoyo car insurance comprehensive third party a menfo wani kire baby a for wani kire Let's Make Agency yene na ye the best.
I Let's Make warehouse. I tonton tiles and building materials.
The building and your construction and so. Say even yama contract bi wa ben mu. Enso hu se dia obeye no e fa na dams, e fa na road, e fa na buildings. Any kind of construction ayama wo hwa untimi nye utimi boben ye through your Let's Make Foundation ebi mo wo orphanage issues ebi mo wo hospital issues ebi mo here counseling nini na Let's Make Foundation etimi ehwe ehye ni ye